Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another wig review, and this one is brought to you by Beauty for You, a beauty supply store here in the DMV area. Thanks so much for this wig. This lace front wig is Viola, 100% FUTURA fiber, and it can take heat up to 377 Fahrenheit. It is 28 inches of natural loose curl with a V-shaped style. It has a 6-inch deep side part, and I have the color F42730. It does come with adjustable straps and a few combs, no baby hairs. Without further ado, let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liz, aka Royal Beauty. I'm super excited to be back on camera, you guys. I feel like I keep going in and out on y'all, but I'm honestly just trying to get my schedule together. So for you guys who are here, who are my loyal royals, thanks for sticking through and tuning in for another wig review. For anybody who is new here, my name is Liz, Elizabeth, Lizzie, whatever you shout out when you see me in person, I will answer to it, as long as I know you're calling me. But here on my platform, I am Royal Beauty, and this is the realm. Welcome, welcome. Click that subscribe button if you are new and you decide to stick around and you want to find out what else is going on here. Definitely hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. So you guys have already seen the intro on this wig. This is the fun part where I get to just show you guys me unboxing the wig and any changes or any customization or anything that I have to do to the wig personally for my taste. But I'm going to give you the pros and the cons and the ins and the outs and the chit chat, because a lot of people don't really like that in the beginning. They want to get right down to it. So I did that for you in the intro just so you can get it. And then if you want to stick around to kind of kiki with me, we can do that in this segment of the video. So let's go ahead and open it up. So this is how the box came. And this is just a regular packaging, nothing too special, nothing too shabby. Excuse my nails, I just came back from Vegas, and Vegas was real, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm gonna open up Viola. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I like this color. These are nice waves going on here. The curls look really defined, and the texture, this canacolon feel, but it's very soft. It looks long. Okay, so we do have lace here. Let's go ahead and take it all the way out of the packaging. Stock card, this is what it looks like here. Okay, so this is our wig. It's very light, nice and bouncy, and the lights are making it look shinier than it is. It is not shiny at all. I might even turn down the light so you guys can really see what it looks like. This is how much lace you have. Okay, not sure if you guys can see that. This is literally just a lace part wig, so only this area can be parted because this is where the lace is, and you can see that as soon as you flip it over, you see exactly how much lace you have to work with. Now it does have lace around the front area, but even that is not lace that can be parted. It's just literally just that little tidbit, about a centimeter of lace is there right over your hairline, and that's pretty good because you can still make sure that your hairline looks as natural as possible. So I like that. I'm actually going to cut the lace off of camera for you guys and then come back. All right, loves, I am back, and I cut off the lace. I was really impressed by the hairline. It already had a semi-natural hairline. It wasn't straight across. It had grooves, so it came across, and then it did somewhat of a not a zigzag, but it gave like more of a natural hairline look. So my hair is already pretty short, which makes it easy for me to do wig reviews as well. All I need is a cap. This cap is black. You want to make sure you do a flesh tone cap, especially when you're working with lace. However, this lace front barely has any lace that I'm going to actually really part, so you can kind of get away with wearing any color. The part facing towards me, the nape in my hand here in the front, and I'm just going to shake the wig down just like so to get the hairs out of the way. Go ahead and align the wig in front. Oh yeah, it's really comfortable. It's comfortable. Oh yeah, I knew this lip look might clash, but we're gonna see. All right, let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust it. It's very comfortable. So I like the curls. I kind of like this look. This is what the part is looking like right now. It is a silky texture. It is very comfortable. It's not like super thick. It's very light. I personally don't mess with baby hairs like that unless I feel like the wig really, really needs it. It's partially being lazy, and it's partially like I feel like the baby, sometimes the baby hairs can make the wig look even more wiggy depending on what wig it is and how much parting space I have. I don't, especially with a wig like this that has just a little bit of lace, there's not much you can do about that. Like there's nothing you can really do with that little bit of lace. So I don't want to use that little bit of lace to create baby hairs and now show track. You know, it might be something that's bad for me or whatever that people don't agree with, but I personally don't always want something slicked down beside my face. It's uncomfortable for me. So I just try to make it look as natural as possible without having to do all of that. This is a real nice date night wig. This is I think this is a date night wig for sure. This is a date night wig. This is a going to a show. I just went to see Anita Baker. This is a going to see Anita Baker wig. I should have worn this one. I wore a whole nother wig, and I think I should have opened this one. I did take this to Vegas because I was thinking she would come in handy for one of the events we had planned, and I did not wear her. Now I'm regretting it. All right, you guys, so here is the final product. I did a little bit of switching the part over to the side. That is all I did to this wig. I haven't done anything. I haven't laid down any baby hairs. I think that the only thing that I would do a little bit differently next time is a different color. Maybe try a different color with this wig, only because this one is definitely for specific occasions. I don't think this is my everyday color. I think this is specifically for, like, you know, just to really look different for a day depending on where I'm going. So that's the only thing that I probably would change about this wig, is pick a different color next time. I was very thoroughly impressed with the hairline, very realistic. I didn't have to do that much tailoring when I went in to cut the lace, which is awesome. It's light. I don't even have the adjustable strap on, and it's nice and comfortably snug, not too tight. I think the only tightness that I'm feeling is from the cap, and that is about it. It is long, but it's not like overbearingly long. It's long enough. I am 5'1", so if you are taller than me, this might be shorter on you. And if you are shorter than me, this might be longer on you. But if you're around my height, this is what it looks like. Shout out to Beauty For You. Thank you so much to them for sending me this wig and giving me the opportunity to work with them. I'm so excited to have partnered with them for this video. Definitely check them out. I'll post down a link in the description box for you to purchase from them. I don't get anything if you do purchase from them, but this is a sponsored video, so I did partner with them for it. Other than that, that link is just there for you if you would like to purchase. But yeah, definitely support my channel if you would like. That would make me happy, and that would help me out big time by clicking on the subscribe button and the notification bell, and just sharing this video if you like. And I will see you guys in the next one. Stay royal.